Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can create lip sync videos and talking photos with the help of AI. If you want, you can also create AI baby podcast videos, AI cartoon lip sync videos, and even AI pet lip sync videos. And the great thing is, you can also translate or transcribe your videos into different languages. Today, we are reviewing an amazing tool called Lipsync.video. So when you open Google, simply type talking photo Lipsync.video and search. You will see the website appear like this. Just open it, and you'll land on a very clean and user-friendly dashboard. Here you can see multiple options. You can create AI talking photos, lip sync videos, baby podcasts, AI cartoon lip sync, and many more styles. With this tool, you can make your photos talk naturally and express emotions just like a real person. Here you can see some talking photo samples that you can check out. You can create similar results very easily using Lipsync.video. Once you click the link in the description and create your account, you will see a dashboard like this. To test its features, let's start with the AI LipSync option. Here you can see some sample avatars you can try. But if you want, you can also upload your own image or your own video directly from your computer. For this example, I'll select this video. Once I select this video, the next step is to add the text. Recently, Lipsync launched its new Lipsync 2.0 model, so I'm going to select it because it's the newest and most modern option. Here you can type your script, upload your own audio, or even record your voice directly. If you want to translate your video into another language, you can choose the Translate Language here. You also have a script option. If you type any topic, the AI will automatically generate a full script for you and place it in the text box. You also have additional settings like adding pauses and other controls. Next, you need to choose the voice. Here you have a variety of voices.
Welcome to Lipsync.video, the most cutting-edge AI lip matching. Welcome to Lipsync.video.
Welcome to Lipsync.video, the most cutting-edge AI.
Welcome to Lipsync.video, the most cutting-edge AI.
Welcome to Lipsync.video, the most cutting-edge AI lip matching tech.
You can choose male or female, pick the age, language, and many more voice styles. After you pick your favorite voice, you can choose the tone as well. You can select happy, natural, sad, epic, and many more options. Once everything is ready, I will simply click on the Generate button. If you want, you can also enable subtitles. After clicking Generate, the processing will begin, so just wait patiently because it may take a little time.
Success isn't magic, it's focus, discipline, and action. I take risks because growth never happens inside the comfort zone. Every day, I choose consistency over excuses, and that's what builds real results.
And that's how easily you can create lip sync videos using Lipsync.video. Now let's move to the talking photo option. Here, you only need to upload your image. This time, I will select a picture of Lionel Messi from my laptop. I will choose the latest model Talking Photo 4.0. After selecting the model, I will enter the text, select the voice.
Welcome to Lipsync.video, the most cut.
欢迎使用 Lipsync.video， 最前沿的 AI 口。
Welcome to Lipsync.video.
I will choose a young male voice, and then click the Generate button. It will start processing.
Football isn't just a game for me, it's passion, discipline, and heart. Every run, every tackle, every goal is a reminder of why I never quit. I don't fear pressure, I turn it into power. This field is where I prove myself every single day.
Here you can see the result. You can create these talking photos very easily. The movement looks natural, the tone is accurate, and the lip sync is incredible. Next, we have the AI baby podcast feature. You can try this one too. Just upload a baby image and select the latest 4.0 model. I will upload this baby image, enter the text, choose the baby voice.
Welcome to Lipsync.video. Welcome to Lipsync.video.
欢迎使用 Lipsync.video.
And then hit Generate. It will create a cute little baby-style podcast voice.
Little baby, shining bright, your smile makes the world feel light. Tiny hands, tiny feet, Every moment with you is sweet. Little star, growing each day, you are magic in every way.
So you can try this feature and generate fun podcast videos in just a few clicks. With this tool, you can easily create singing baby videos. Just upload or add the voice audio.
Good morning, Mama. I love you, Mama. You are my sweet Mama.
Choose the baby image or video and then simply hit the generate button. In just a few seconds, the AI will sync the voice perfectly with the baby's lips and your singing baby video will be ready.
Good morning, Mama. I love you, Mama. You are my sweet Mama.
No editing skills needed, everything is done automatically. Now let's move on to the AI video tools. Here we have two options, AI video dubbing and AI video translator. First, I'll open the video dubbing tool. You need to upload your sample video. Then click generate and it will start processing. If you want to translate your video, just upload your clip, choose the target language, click generate, and your translated video will be ready. It's that simple. You can create all these types of videos using Lipsync.video. And one more thing, when you sign up, you get 300 free daily credits so you can try all these features without spending any money. The link is available in the description. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.